When you're looking at the maps, starting with the Morris Quadrangle, what's interesting about the fact that there were all these mines is what we remember from our own times. This is Route 47, coming right up through the center of Morris, Division Street. And this is Route 6. And you'll notice that Robert Condon's #1 mine is there, operated from 1932 to 36. You'll come across and see Morris Coal and Mining Company, which was up by Prince Drive-In and Kenny Daggett's house and Harsheim's house and right in there. And then the Northwestern Coal Corporation was off over on Ashley Road. But up in this area and all along Route 6, the type of fossils that were found down below when they did the digging were all clamshells. So it was a type of a seed. And from that, they began to refer to that area as Chowder Flats. And that's why you hear that term sometimes. You won't find it in any history books. You'll just find it among the people who worked in the mines and the people who live here, really. Also, you'll find it among the earth science collectors of northern Illinois, Asconi, who are located in the Chicago area and come down frequently. They're still picking fossils, but they will call it Chowder Flats because that's what they care about. Fossils that are below ground, because when the glacier pushed over and then the coal and peat were formed as that push and the fossils were left down there, the concretions formed, and they're through all of this. On the other maps, the Coal City maps, if you get as far as Braidwood, you'll see all of those maps where those mines are. That's where everybody picks the fossils now. So they all have different names. For example, Pit 11 over by Braidwood is known as the place of the Tully monster. So they have the Tully Gully, where all of those rushed in, and that's the best place to find those. Also along the way, you're going to notice that there's Chicago Fireproofing Company. There's other places that are clay and tile works, because when you go underground, on your way down to find the coal, there are layers of limestone and gravel and loam and clay. So clay became a very big byproduct here, and a lot of tile works are right exactly where we are. There were tile works. So if you look on the pictures of places of this building we are in today, the Coleman Hardware Building, the museum building, you will also see that there was a tile works here. There were 3 or 4 actually, right along the way and up toward Armstrong Street. So the story of coal mining in the Morris area goes from these little guys with their private little mines and in just digging down and pulling up buckets or however little amounts they were, to some very big operations like McIlvain.